So the Monad Airdrop is live. I've got it right here, so make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. We jump straight here. This is the website. How do we claim it? Simply go here, sign in with the Phantom Wallet, enter your Phantom Wallet details, whether it is the password, and after that we will log in. We connect right here. As we see, waiting for Phantom verification is in progress, and this is how you are doing it. So very simple, and make sure, guys, it is a little bit slow. Absolutely, yes, it can be a bit slow. And why? Because there's over 500,000 people doing it. So if you find it again, simply reload, sign up again. And as we see here, waiting for the Phantom Wallet, checking, signing in. And this seems to be, as of right now, the one that takes the more time. And as we see it here, we can go and check again over on the Monad page. For example, over here, they will have their official, not this one, they will have their official page as well, tweeting it out when it goes live. And here we have it. The Monad Airdorp claim is now live. So all you gotta do is simply sign up to the page right here with your wallet, and you are good to go. Now it is simply taking time, but after you're done that, you will be eligible to go and claim it. You're probably in a queue, but do not panic, do not worry. This is how you claim it. Yes, people are already probably complaining, oh, it's taking too much, let's go. Are you eligible? Drop your wallet. You're not eligible, you're not eligible, be careful first, and all of this, like, just not eligible. A lot of people here not eligible. Thanks for playing, not eligible. And as we see it, make sure to go and check it out. Of course, only official pages, official link. This one is the official link. Absolutely, yes, as it is posted by them. This is the official one. Do not click anything else. Do not click any other website. Also this one, as we saw, this were the official one. And as we see, simply go in and retry and try to connect it, and you eventually will be able to do it. There are quite a lot of people doing it right now, but this is the webpage. So let me know how much your allocation is down below. But also, outside of what Monad is, there's a few things that we need to focus on, a few information that you need to know in terms of what's next after Monad. Well, these protocols are what I think is next after Monad. Starting off with one that is a swapper, just like Jupiter is. It is called Titan, and as we see here, we have a leaderboard mechanism as well. We have a profile, and all you gotta do here is simply to go and do your swaps. As we see here, swap USDC to Solana 20 token. And if you swap Solana, for example, to USDC, what's happening? Well, just like Jupiter, it wants to be even cheaper than Jupiter. Here is the price for Titan, the price for Jupiter, and Pyth. So they have an airdrop. They have already mentioned an airdrop. This is another Solana-based ecosystem. Make sure to scale through the leaderboard. As we see here, I made only $1,600 in volume, and I'm ranked 22,000. So you definitely have 5 grand or 2 grand in your wallet. Just make a few swaps and you will be eligible for this one. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and do your swaps. This is the first one. But aside from the Monad airdrop, which we've seen the claiming, there's a few things that I want to focus with you, and we can see it here. And I want to emphasize an attention that you might have been missing. So when it comes to Perpetual DEX, there's 3 protocols which I would suggest you to go and join now. The first one being Gravity. Gravity is something that you don't see many people talk about because they are not paid to talk about, nor they have any monetary incentivization to do it. But as we see here, we have a $1.5 billion day, and it is growing. As you see here, how good and fast everything is going on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. Everything is going. Keep in mind, this is on a Tuesday, so 2 days is already half of what the other week has done. And Gravity is a Perpetual DEX, which is this one right here, and I will leave you the link down below. The good thing about it, they got 22% reserved for the total token allocation for an airdrop. And as you see here, the Gravity airdrop is already live. You can already get your token. Now, the season 1 has ended, and the season 1 only had a 10% total allocation, which I have it right here, and I did participate already. The season 2 has a 12%, so even bigger than the season 1. So this is the best time to go and participate. And as we see here, you probably have missed it, and not many people talk about, because talk about Hyperliquid and Aster and the feud behind it. Well, as we see here, Gravity is coming up, and it's a matter of days, in my opinion, that we will see it at the number 3 spot. And here we have it at a 1.4 billion total perpetual volume of 24 hours. So definitely go and join it. Another one that I do recommend you go and join, make sure to come and join the trading community channel over here on Twitter. Free for you to go and join. I do share technical analysis, price chart, as you see right here on all crypto, Solana, XRP, Link, Bitcoin, AVAX, Ethereum, and everything that you want. So make sure to come and join. It is free to go and join my Telegram group. Absolutely, yes. Is Pacifica, which we have talked about it, and I will leave the link down below, because they are at a 800 million on a daily, and as we see here, they had a peak at 1.7. Then it is terrible day that we all know, 1.2, and then now we're going back to the 1 billion. And as we see here, this is Pacifica. You got the portfolio, you already got the point system as well. You're ready to go and claim it. This is on Solana, while Gravity is on MetaMask. You simply deposit right here from your MetaMask wallet, as you see here, from Arbitrum, Binance, or Ethereum. Over on Pacifica, instead, is on the Solana ecosystem. So you need to have USDC token on Solana. You deposit and you're able to go and trade. As we see here is the money that you have. And this is the point system that we do see right here. So definitely go and do it. For Pacifica, I do remind you, as well as the volume that you need to create on a daily basis to be rewarded point is $10,000 a day in volume to be rewarded points. And what is that? Well, that is because basically they're kicking out all the bots and the non-traders that are just there to farm trading. So the one thing is go and have a 10,000 a day trading volume. And how do you do that? Well, simply open a 50x $200 position on any Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you get $10,000 a day. Make sure to sell in $1 or $2 profit, and that is good to go. While Gravity, as of right now, it does not have that one, but I do believe that it should. It's a good thing, in my opinion, what Pacifica is doing. But anyway, we'll leave the Pacifica link down below. If you got $1,000, don't put everything in one. Just go and put, let's say, $400 on Gravity, $400 on Pacific if you got 1,000, and put 200 on Sunperp. Why Sunperp? Because as we see here, Sunperp is backed by Tron, the actual Tron, like the number 10 crypto in the world with $35 billion market cap, by their CEO, who actually built this Sun Perpetual trading here, which is Justin Sun. And as we see here, it is standing very new. It is on a one chain on Tron, $67 million perpetual in 24 hours, and they still have to release it. They have an airdrop, they got a welcome campaign bonus, so make sure to go and grab that. And it is on the Tron platform, so you will have to download the Tron wallet, send TRX and USDT on the TRX network. And as we see here, they have a nice steady day of about 60 to 70 million dollars, quite close, coming close to a billion, to 100 million. And as we see here with the weekly, pretty steady. However, in the monthly, it's the second month that they are out. September was 891 million. Today is October 14 only, so we still have half a month, and they are already at 900 million. So this is why I would suggest you to go and be part of it, because both, they are all growing. Gravity is going super, super strong. We have Sunperp growing super strong, and Pacifica as well, with a little bit of a slowdown because a lot of people are entering it, yet way less people than what Gravity, or no, actually, Gravity has less people than Pacifica. Pacifica has way less people than Hyperliquid or the Aster Season 3. So these are the three ones that I would suggest you to go and do. The link will be down below. And for all three of them, as make sure to come and join the trading community channel over here on Twitter. Free for you to go and join. I do share technical analysis, price chart, as you see right here on all crypto, Solana, XRP, Link, Bitcoin, AVAX, Ethereum, and everything that you want. So make sure to come and join. It is free to go and join my Telegram group. Absolutely, yes. But with that said, guys, make sure to join Telegram. Make sure to join all of these protocols. And thank you for watching. And I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.